Hi guys, and here you can see how the app is laid out. So we have different tabs for everything. So timers are in a different tab, and all controls for value controls and sensor data is in a separate tab. So I'm gonna walk you through the app. So here we have different lights, fans, and air pumps. So basically the things that you require for the primary things that you need to control your hydroponic system. So I could just simply toggle them on and off, and they're just customized when and even we have override options for the commercial application. And the only difference between the commercial and the non-commercial is the override switches won't be there as in comparison to the non-commercial option. So here we have heating element on whether it's heating or cooling. So and we have the heating element, a separate heating element for water, and then we also have a separate water pump command. Control humidity, we have a steam generator, you can turn it on and off. Then we have a clock, which bottom left corner. That clock basically syncs up the time between your device and the microcontroller running it. Then we have timers. So basically, like if I want to set a timer for lights, so I can click on the timer, I can set the time that it starts. So let's say 12 a.m. Then I want it to stop at 1 a.m. So by doing this, it will show me what is the next thing gonna happen. So at 12 a.m. it will start, then it will switch over to 1 a.m. so saying it will turn off. So then we have the value control. So basically here we could set the separate values for separate sections, and this thing could be scaled as we have different fans and different everything that could be changed. So here I could see the fan speed, and this is basically in percentage. Then we have the amount of humidity, which varies between 20 to 90%. Then we have the water temperature sliders. We could set a temperature between 15 degrees to around 40 degrees. Then we have a temperature slider for the air temperature, which could be set between 15 and 40 degrees as well. Then we have a sensor data tab. So here all the data from for temperature comes in, and the top columns are the columns which where it shows where what the current settings are. So I could see the temperature, water temperature, humidity, and fan speed. The underneath there is a super chart. So it basically combines all the different values, and here you could see the different values all being at the same location. So and this data could be exported into Power BI, and there are Power BI models which you will be seeing in the next part of this video.